Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into something that's bound to get any motorcycle enthusiast excited. The top 8 new 650cc motorcycles for 2025. Whether you're looking for a reliable commuter, a sport bike with some serious punch, or a mix of both, this list has you covered. Stick around because we've got some real surprises. And trust me, number 1 is going to turn heads. Let's jump right in. Number 8. Kawasaki Z650. The 2025 Kawasaki Z650 stands as a solid and reliable middleweight motorcycle that delivers impressive value and versatility for its class. It continues to use the well-proven 649cc parallel twin engine, producing approximately 67 horsepower and 48 pound-feet of torque. This engine is smooth, responsive, and very approachable, making it a favorite among riders who want a dependable machine for both daily commuting and weekend fun. The 6-speed transmission includes a slipper clutch, which helps reduce rear wheel chatter during aggressive downshifting. Weighing just 412 pounds with fluids, the Z650 is light, nimble, and easy to control, especially in tight urban settings. Kawasaki has given the 2025 model a minor facelift, including a sharper LED headlight design and a full-color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity for added convenience. The suspension setup remains practical, with a 41mm telescopic front fork and a preload adjustable horizontal backlink rear shock. Braking is handled by dual 300mm front discs and a 220mm rear disc, all supported by standard anti-lock braking system. The 2025 Z650 is best suited for beginner to intermediate riders who want a comfortable, manageable motorcycle with sporty character. However, taller riders or those seeking long-distance touring comfort may find it limited. The Z650 may not be revolutionary, but its strong reputation, affordability, and everyday usability ensure it remains a smart option in the 650cc category. Number 7. Suzuki SV650. The 2025 Suzuki SV650 remains a true icon in the middleweight motorcycle class. Suzuki has refined it just enough to keep it competitive, while preserving the raw charm that made it a favorite among riders for over 2 decades. At the heart of this machine is a 645cc V-twin engine that produces around 75 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque. It is liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and delivers a wonderfully linear power band with a deep, character-rich exhaust note that riders continue to love. The 2025 model receives subtle visual updates with a fresh headlight design and new bodywork that gives it a slightly sharper look, without compromising the classic naked styling. The frame is still the signature trellis-style chassis, which keeps the motorcycle lightweight at 432 pounds wet and gives it excellent handling characteristics, especially in corners. The suspension is basic but reliable, featuring a conventional front fork and a preload adjustable rear shock. Dual front disc brakes with ABS provide confident stopping power. The SV650 is an excellent choice for newer riders seeking a bike that feels approachable yet rewarding. It also remains a favorite among experienced motorcyclists looking for a reliable, fun, and affordable second bike. It may not have advanced electronics or ride modes, but its mechanical purity is exactly what makes it so engaging. For the future, the SV650 continues to stand strong as a rider's bike, honest, soulful, and ready for anything from city commuting to canyon carving. Number 6. Yamaha R7. The 2025 Yamaha R7 continues to bridge the gap between lightweight sport bikes and full-blown supersport machines, making it one of the most accessible fared motorcycles in the 650 cubic centimeter category. It is powered by Yamaha's proven 689cc parallel twin engine, producing approximately 74 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque. The engine, borrowed from the MT-07, is known for its torquey mid-range, smooth delivery, and strong character that gives the R7 real-world performance without the need to rev it to the moon. Weighing just 414 pounds wet, the R7 is light and narrow, with an aggressive, race-inspired riding position that suits both track days and weekend rides. For 2025, Yamaha has slightly revised the suspension settings and updated the quick shifter system to make gear changes even sharper. The front features a fully adjustable 41mm KYB inverted fork, while the rear uses a link-type monoshock, adjustable for preload and rebound. Braking is strong and consistent thanks to dual 298mm front discs and 4-piston radial calipers, backed by ABS. A full-color TFT display, sleek aerodynamic fairing, and Yamaha's trademark styling give it a premium presence in the middleweight sport bike class. The R7 is best suited for riders who want sporty aesthetics, lightweight handling, and spirited riding without the overwhelming power of a leader-class bike. Taller riders may find the ergonomics tight, and it is not ideal for long-distance touring. However, as a track-ready, canyon-slaying machine, the R7 delivers excitement with everyday usability. Number 5. Honda CB650R. The 2025 Honda CB650R continues to strike a beautiful balance between classic styling and modern performance. It sits firmly in Honda's Neo Sports Cafe lineup, offering an aggressive yet refined look with its round LED headlight, sculpted tank, and clean lines. Powering this middleweight naked motorcycle is a 649cc inline-4 engine that produces approximately 94 horsepower and 46 pound-feet of torque. It is the only 4-cylinder engine in this class, and it delivers an incredibly smooth, high-revving experience that sets it apart from its parallel twin competitors. At 447 pounds wet, the CB650R is not the lightest in the category, but it carries its weight well thanks to a refined chassis and Showa separate function big piston, 41mm inverted front fork, which offers a composed and confidence-inspiring ride. The rear shock is adjustable for preload, giving the bike a touch of versatility. Braking performance is solid with dual 310mm front discs and radially mounted 4-piston calipers, backed by standard ABS. The CB650R is best suited for intermediate to experienced riders who appreciate a more sophisticated engine character and a refined aesthetic. It is not ideal for new riders due to its higher rev ceiling and more aggressive throttle response, and taller riders might desire more legroom. However, its smooth power delivery, strong build quality, and premium feel make it a compelling choice for those who want a middleweight naked motorcycle with true sporting DNA and everyday practicality. Number 4. Triumph Trident 660. The 2025 Triumph Trident 660 continues to impress as a well-rounded, premium middleweight motorcycle that brings British engineering and sharp style into an affordable and accessible package. At its core is a 660cc inline-3 engine, producing around 80 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque. This triple-cylinder setup gives the Trident a unique edge, offering smooth, low-end torque like a twin and top-end performance like an inline-4. It is a standout in the 650 class for its engine character alone. Weighing just 417 pounds wet, the Trident is light, agile, and incredibly rider-friendly. For 2025, Triumph has refined the throttle mapping for smoother low-speed control and added new color options, but otherwise the formula remains smartly unchanged. Suspension duties are handled by Showa 41mm upside-down forks and a preload adjustable rear shock, which deliver comfort and composure for both city riding and backroad twisties. Braking is handled by dual 310mm front discs with Nissan 2-piston calipers and standard ABS. The full-color TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and 2 selectable ride modes, road and rain, give it a modern feel without overwhelming complexity. The Trident 660 is best suited for new to intermediate riders looking for something refined, stylish, and exciting without being intimidating. Taller riders may want a higher seat, and aggressive sport riders might desire more suspension adjustment. Still, for everyday riding with premium quality and playful spirit, the Triumph Trident 660 is a phenomenal choice with a bright future. Number 3. Aprilia RS660. The 2025 Aprilia RS660 continues to lead the charge in the premium middleweight sport bike category, blending Italian performance, striking aesthetics, and advanced technology into one incredibly refined package. Its 659cc parallel twin engine produces a thrilling 100 horsepower and 49 pound-feet of torque, giving it the highest power output on this list. The engine is compact, lightweight, and high-revving, delivering serious punch in the mid to top range while maintaining a surprisingly smooth character. Weighing just 403 pounds wet, the RS660 is nimble, flickable, and incredibly responsive. For 2025, Aprilia has updated the electronics suite with improved ride modes, smoother traction control calibration, and a more intuitive quick shifter system. The bike comes loaded with a full electronics package, cornering ABS, wheelie control, cruise control, engine braking control, and multiple ride modes. Suspension is handled by a fully adjustable Kayaba 41mm inverted front fork and a preload and rebound adjustable rear shock, offering sharp precision on the street and the track. Braking is excellent thanks to dual 320mm front discs and radial mount Brembo calipers. The RS660 is ideal for experienced riders looking for high-performance thrills in a lightweight, approachable chassis. It is not recommended for absolute beginners due to its aggressive riding position and high power output. However, for spirited canyon riding, weekend track days, or riders seeking a lightweight alternative to leader-class sport bikes, the RS660 is arguably the most advanced and exciting choice in the 650 class today. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja 650. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 650 continues to dominate as one of the best all-around middleweight motorcycles, combining the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and everyday usability. Powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, the Ninja 650 delivers a well-balanced 67 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque. Its smooth power delivery makes it equally at home on the highway or carving through twisty back roads, with just enough punch to keep experienced riders entertained, while still being approachable for beginners. At just 425 pounds wet, the Ninja 650 offers a lightweight feel and nimble handling, which is ideal for city commuting and longer touring rides. The suspension, consisting of a 41mm telescopic fork and a preload adjustable rear shock, provides a comfortable yet stable ride across a variety of road conditions. Dual 300mm front discs with standard anti-lock braking system, ABS, ensure strong stopping power. For 2025, Kawasaki has updated the Ninja 650 with a modern full-color TFT display that includes smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to easily access navigation and call information. The bike also comes equipped with a slipper clutch and a smooth 6-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth shifts under aggressive riding conditions. The Ninja 650 is best suited for a wide range of riders, from beginners looking for their first serious bike to more experienced riders seeking a reliable and comfortable all-around machine. Whether you are commuting, touring, or enjoying spirited rides on twisty roads, the Ninja 650 offers exceptional value and performance with a bright future ahead. Number 1. Honda CBR 650R. The 2025 Honda CBR 650R stands at the top of the 650cc category for a reason. It is a perfect balance of performance, design, and practicality. Powered by a 649cc inline-4 engine, it produces an impressive 94 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque, delivering a smooth, high-revving, and exhilarating experience. This engine offers a linear power band that is both accessible to intermediate riders and rewarding for more experienced ones, offering the perfect combination of performance for spirited riding and track days. Weighing in at 456 pounds wet, the CBR 650R feels composed at speed and agile in corners, thanks to its well-balanced chassis and aggressive sport bike ergonomics. The fully adjustable Showa 41mm upside-down front fork and a preload adjustable rear shock provide excellent suspension performance, offering both comfort for longer rides and precision for aggressive cornering. Braking is handled by dual 310mm front discs and Nissan calipers with standard anti-lock braking system, ABS, for enhanced control. For 2025, Honda has updated the CBR 650R with a new full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, and improved LED lighting. The bike continues to feature Honda's selectable riding modes and a slipper clutch, which adds to its overall usability and ease of use. Best suited for intermediate and experienced riders who want a motorcycle that can handle anything from daily commutes to spirited weekend rides or even track days, the CBR 650R remains one of the most versatile, refined, and exciting motorcycles in the 650cc class, with a bright future ahead. And that's our countdown of the top 8 new 650cc motorcycles for 2025. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.